Kiddy Store Fortune review. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this new website called Kiddy Store Fortune. So right now you have a discount coupon for $5 off. So you can click here and use this code Kiddy Fortune. If you want to buy, you will find the link of the sales page below my YouTube video. So in the description, click on the link which says grab the copy and then enter this code and claim a discount. So I'm closing it now. And this is the sales page. So right at the top you will find this demo video. You will see how you can get this. This is the done for you website. You will have to install the website on your own domain. Okay, so if you have a domain, or you can buy a new domain and they will give you the zip file and you can install that zip file. You will see that I'll show you in this video. You can install that zip file and your website will be ready to go live. All you'll have to do is link your payment methods such as PayPal or Stripe, and then you can start accepting payments. The concept here is that you're supposed to build this ready-made live website which will look like this, where you can sell things related to kids such as printables or some digital ebooks, whatever. Okay, so that's it. It says claim your spotlight in the kids printables boom. You can check out everything. You will find the link of the sales page below my video. And if you are not into selling, if you want to make some money on autopilot, then you can check out the first link below my video which says swing trading on automation. Once you click on the first link, you will come to this page here. So go and watch this video to know how you can make money while you sleep. This is not theoretical, this is practical, and what I am saying, I mean it. This thing actually will make you money while you sleep. Okay, so go and check out this video by clicking the first link below so that you can know if this is for you or not. It's not for everybody, but you have to go and watch it to know if this is for you or not. Okay, so coming back again here, so go and check out this video. I'll quickly show you this video here. Let's play the video for you. And let me see, look, let's go to full HD. All right, so I'm forwarding it and you can find the same video on the sales page. So this is the kind of website, it looks very attractive to me. Okay, so if you think you can sell out these things, you have some way to bring traffic to your website, or maybe use social media. This is very good looking to me. I find this very attractive. And if you have any customers, so for people who got kids, this will be a very good thing. If you can find such audience, they have kids, I think you will get a lot of sales if you have these kind of websites. Okay, so it's pretty simple. What you're going to do is you will get a zip file from them. You have to go into your WordPress, install this plugin. They will explain everything. Okay, activate the plugin and then upload the zip file which they will give you once you buy the product. And once this zip file is installed on your domain, on your hosting, after that your website will go live and your website will look like this, where people will come and if they will buy. If they buy, money comes to you. So all you have to do is install this website on your domain, then link your PayPal or Stripe to get the payments, and that's it. All your job is to bring traffic. So I'm very what we say, happy the way this website looks. It's a done for you material. It uses AI graphics and it's specially made for attracting kids and their parents. Okay, so if you want Kiddy Store Fortune, go and check out the link below. You'll find it. Go and buy it. It's maybe once in a millennia, I am happy to promote something. Okay, so this is one of those things. Once in a millennium, I'm saying that go and buy this because I like the way it looks. Okay, you get sales or not, that's not the point. The point is it looks very good to me using the AI images and everything. Okay, so if you're a parent or a kid, go and buy and have fun. If you want to make some money online, then check out the links below my video and come to this page. If you want to make money by doing nothing, or if you want to make money on YouTube or email marketing, you will find all the links below the video. Go and check them out and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.